try to talk with me. Did you people prepare it up to now?
Recording in progress.
We started, I think, what we completed yesterday. What we completed yesterday, at least one person.
Yesterday we completed node server.
We completed about node server. Node server completed now. I'm not sure. Can you open Visual Studio Code? Please open the Visual Studio Code. Guys, coming to the main project, guys, along with me, please practice this one. Never postpone it. If you postpone, you are getting the confusion to practice this project. Never postpone it. You see this one? Give me this second. Guys, did I created the database yesterday? Guys, did I created the database yesterday? Hello? Guys, can you hear me, guys? Guys, are you people
Yes,
able to
sir.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Did I completed the database yesterday? Satyajit, talk
Yes,
with
sir.
me. Talk with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We completed.
Yes. Guys, coming to the main project here, everyone needed to practice along with me. Fun. E-commerce 7 a.m. E-commerce 7 a.m. or something we needed to take. Pratyush, say this one. Pratyush, finally, which one is ready?
Yes, sir.
Model is ready. Which model is ready?
Product one.
Product model is ready. Fine. Saujanya, explain all the points once again. Saujanya, first of all, what we done? First of all, please verify this one. First of all, we need to deploy images to the
S3 bucket.
We need to deploy images to the S3 bucket.
bucket.
Totally, how many images you deployed?
6 images.
6 buckets. Totally, we deployed the 6 buckets.
6, sir.
P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, nearly 6 images we deployed here. Next one. What is the second one? We need to create one database. Fine. What is the name of the database?
Main
What
NG
is the name
project.
of the
NG
database?
project.
Main NG project. What is the name of the table?
Products.
Products table. Is it a connection URL?
Yes, sir.
Whatever
Yes, sir.
the URL is there. Here, whatever the URL is there, this URL we can call connection URL. Mute yourself, guys. Whatever the URL here, this URL we can call connection URL. Next one. After that, we need to create one folder. We need to create one folder. Which folder?
Backend.
Answer. We need to create one folder. Which folder? Backend
Backend.
folder. Next one. And one more point. We need to switch to folder. How to switch to folder? CD space backend. CD space backend. Automatically we can switch to folder. Next one, guys. How to develop RESTful web services? How to develop RESTful web services with the help of what?
Express.
With the help of Express. So with the help of Express, we will develop RESTful web services. How to connect to MongoDB database? How to
Mongoose
connect to
library.
MongoDB
Mongoose.
database with the help of what?
Mongoose
Mongoose
library.
Mongoose
library.
library. With the help of Mongoose library, automatically, series per here, automatically we can connect to MongoDB database. Fine. Next one. And one more point. One more point is the how to receive the data from client application. With the help of
Body
what? With the
parser.
help of body parser. Next one, Satyajit. How
Yes.
to encrypt the passwords?
Encrypt this.
How to encrypt the passwords with the help of what?
By
Encrypt.js. How to maintain global configuration file?
dot
Kiran, how to
env.
maintain configuration file with the help of .env file. Fine. How to handle the REST APIs asynchronously? How to handle REST APIs asynchronously? how to execute REST APIs asynchronously with the help of what? Express async handler. But guys, how to generate the tokens? How to generate the tokens? JSON script. Guys, based on the server response. Based on the server response, we need to create the model or not. Pranav, based on the server response. Based on the server response, we need to create the model. Model we created here. Now, guys, let me go for the fifth step. Fifth step is the develop REST API. Develop REST API. Fifth step is the we need to develop the REST API. To develop REST API, create one file. Which file? Server.js file. In order to develop REST API, we need to create one file. The file is the which file we need to create? Server.js file. Very, very important. So, can I create server.js file? Can
Yes,
I
sir.
create a server.js file? Let me create server.js file. Guys, even the tough here, never object to me. Never object to me. Even the tough, you people need to follow. No option for you. Server.js file. Fine. Guys, can I ask one question to you? Which language we are discussing? Which language we are discussing now? Is it Angular? Is it Angular?
No, sir.
Am I discussing? Guys, which language I'm discussing with you? Vindhya, respond.
TypeScript.
Guys, which language? Which subject we are discussing now?
Server.
At least one person here. Which subject we are discussing? Am I discussing Angular with you?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday and today. Which subject I am discussing with you?
Angular.
Node server related also.
Nodes.
Guys, am I writing any Angular code? Oh my God, guys, some people they are giving shocking answers. Am I writing any Angular code in the last session and today's session?
No.
No,
This
sir.
code,
No,
what do you
sir.
call? This code, what do you call? This language, what do you call? Node.js.
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 God, no one giving the response now, guys. Guys, come out from the dilemma here. We are writing Node.js code. Node.js here. We are writing the Node.js, not Angular. Maybe today, if possible, I will complete the Node.js code. Then tomorrow, we will write the Angular code. Guys, please be active. Fine. Guys, coming to the Node.js code. Coming to the Node.js code, I will dependent on some API also. Well, now see this one. First of all, import modules. First of all, import modules. Fine. In a Node.js, how to import modules? With the help of one function, which function? Require function. Require function used to import the modules. Saujanya, explain once again, Ken. Saujanya, what I'm asking here? Import
Node.js.
modules. Import modules. Satyajit, how to import modules?
With
How
the
to
help
import
of
modules? Require function.
Require function.
Require function used
Used
to
to
import
import
the
the
modules.
module.
Coming to the require function used to import the modules. And see this one, Ken. Require of express. If express module imported successfully, automatically we are getting express object. Saujanya, explain once again here. Explain once again how to import the express module. Require of express. If express module imported successfully, automatically we are getting one object. Which object? Express object.
Express object.
Automatically we will get one object. The object is the which object? Express object. Fine. Next one. And one more thing. Import cars module. Constant cars equal to require of cars. Import body parser module.
const body
Import
parser.
body parser module. How can I import body parser equal to import body parser equal to require of body parser. Import, no, not import, constant body parser equal to require of body parser. Next one. And one more point. One more thing is the import mongoose module. Array, talk with me or talk with me. Constant mongoose equal to require of mongoose. Totally, how many modules you imported?
4 modules.
4 model.
Can I import environmental module? Constant,
Yes.
constant dot env. Constant
Dot
dot
env.
env equal to require of require of dot env.
Dot env.
Dot env. Fine. Guys, even though if I place the code while deploying into AWS server, if any unnecessary code available, can I delete in the future? You won't confusion now? I will write the complete code now. If any unreachable code available in the future, I will delete it. Okay na? Pranav, see this one again. Constant encrypt JS. Constant encrypt JS equal to require of encrypt JS. Guys, I'm importing everything here. In the future, if I don't need something, I will delete it. Don't worry. For next one. And one more thing. How to generate the token? Array, tell me how to generate the token. I won't leave you guys. Constant JSON web token equal to require of JSON web token.
JSON with
Guys, and one more point. One more point is the let me import the like express async handler. See this one can constant express constant express async handler equal to require of express async handler. Guys, 5 to 6 questions I will ask you the correct answer. Girinada, which language we are discussing? Girinada, I'm asking the question. Which language we are discussing? Node.js.
Node.js.
No, Node.js. How to import the modules?
By using requirement.
Girinada, how to import the modules with the help of which function? Require function. Totally, how many modules we imported? Totally, how many modules we imported? 8 modules. 8 modules we imported. Next one, Vindhya, see this one here. Vindhya, your target is the you need to develop REST APIs na. Pranav, active Pranav. Pranav, Pranav, did you complete the integration part?
Not yet, sir.
Pranav, complete it. No, complete it. You please complete it. Today or tomorrow, please complete it here. Fine. See this one here. Guys, here itself, we need to develop REST APIs na.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? Get request. Next one is the post request. Next one is the delete request, put request, add request. So many things na. Yes or not? We need to delete so many requests, sir. To develop so many requests, we need to prepare one REST object. First of all, we need to prepare one REST object. To develop REST services, we need to prepare REST object. Respond go Chaitanya. To develop REST services, we need to create REST object. What you want to create a REST object? So how can I create a REST object? See this one again. Create the REST object. How can I create REST object? Assume this one. Constant app equal to just call the express. Simply, you need to call the express. Guys, can I go for this much of speed?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
can I go for the little bit speed? Guys, watch the video file once again here. Please watch the video file once again here. After watching the video file once again here, get the clarity regarding this one. Whoever listening the first time, you may feel like it's difficult to understand because the concept will be like that. Because we are discussing the full stack development. So we need to go for that much of level. Constant app equal to what you wanted to place. Constant app equal to what you wanted to place. Express. Guys, who is the app? App is the
Object.
app is the which object? Yes, your point is right. Which
REST
object?
object.
REST object. And one more point. App object used to develop the REST services. Develop the which one here? REST services. Coming to the app object. App object used to develop the REST services. Is my point right or not? Fine. And one more point. One more point is the who is the client? Who is the client technology?
Angular.
Angular. Who is the server technology?
Node.js.
Node.js.
The communication between client and the server is JSON. Explain once again. Guys, who is the client technology? Angular. Who is the server side technology?
Node.js.
Node.js.
Node.js. Respond once again. Who is the client technology? Angular. What is the server side technology? Node.js.
Node.js.
The communication language between client and server is JSON. Fine. See this one. Which language I'm speaking?
Yes.
English.
No.
You are also responding with which language? English. Between you and me, what is the communication language? English. If I speak Hindi, you are also responding with the Hindi. So Hindi is communication language between me and you. Is it right
Yes,
or
sir.
not? That communication language, technically we can call MIME type. Technically, what do you call? Technically, we can call MIME type.
MIME type.
Whatever the communication language is there, that communication language, technically we can call MIME type. And one more point. JSON wanted to set as communication language. Coming to the JSON wanted to set as communication language. That communication language, technically, what do you call? MIME type. So how to set the communication language? App dot use of body parser dot JSON. Guys, my suggestion for you is don't go for the syntaxes. Know the meaning of this line. That's it. Yeah. If you go for the syntax like, sir, what is this body parser? What is the JSON something? You can't understand the Node.js. Know the meaning of line number 24. The meaning of line number 24 is communication language between client and server is
JSON.
that's it. That communication language, technically, what do you call?
MIME type.
MIME type. Fine. Let me see this one. And one more thing. One more thing is the client to sending the data to the server or not?
Yes, sir.
Client to sending the data to the server or not?
Yes, sir.
By using URLs. By using URLs. Is it right or not? http://localhost://data ? /data ? admin and upwd equal to say this one here, and upwd equal to admin, something or not? Guys,
Yes, sir.
client sending this data to the server na?
Yes, sir.
Server should read this data or not?
Yes.
Server should read the data. Pawan, everyone, Saujanya, Avinash, everyone, unmute yourself. Client sending the data to the server or not?
Yes, sir.
Server should read this URL encoded data or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How server will read this URL encoded data? How it can read? See this one here. Observe this one here. Read the URL encoded data. Read the URL encoded data. Satyajit, how to read?
Yes, sir.
app dot use of body parser dot URL encoded. URL encoded equal to extended : false. So this is know the meaning. The meaning of line number 30. The meaning of line number 30 is read the URL encoded data coming from the client. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
know the meaning, guys. Know the meaning. That's enough. Guys, can you tell the meaning of line number 24? Can you tell the meaning of line number 24?
To connect
communicate with
client and
Angular
database.
and Node.js.
Communication language between
Angular and
Client
Node.js.
and
Angular and Node.js is
JSON.
JSON.
Communication language between Angular and Node.js is the JSON. Next one, what is the meaning of line number 30? What is the meaning of line number 30? At least one person here.
Read data from
URL
No,
encoded
no.
data
Coming from the
client
client.
side.
The data coming from the client, I want to parse it. False means read. You may ask, sir, why false read? Node.js telling like that. Node.js telling reading the URL encoded data. Fun. Next one, guys. We need to enable cars policy na.
Yes, sir.
We need to enable cars policy na. Let me enable the cars policy. Whatever the cars policy is there. Fun. See this fun here. Yeah. See this fun here. 1 second. 1 second, guys.1 second, guys. Observe this fun here. Guys, we need to enable cars policy. How can I enable cars policy? App dot use of cars off. App dot use of cars off automatically we can enable the cars policy. Whatever the cars policy is there, the cars policy we're able to enable. Guys, okay na?
Yes,
Okay
sir.
na, guys?
Yes, sir.
Here. Yes, sir. See this one here, guys. How to enable communication between different ports? Angular running on which port number?
4200.
Angular running
4200.
on the 4200.
Yes, sir.
Node.js running on which port number?
Double.
Node.js running on which port number? We don't know some port number. MongoDB running on which port number?
7017.
MongoDB 27017.
2701.
At least one person, guys. Angular running on which port number?
4200.
4200. Node.js running on which port number? 1234. MongoDB running on which port number? 27017. So you should enable communication between different ports. Enabling communication between different ports, technically we can call enabling the cars policy. Enabling the what? Enabling the cars policy. Fine. Next one, guys. Guys, can I expect at least you people received 50% knowledge?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
wonder while practicing yourself and watch the video once again here. I hope then you can get the remaining knowledge. Fine. Let me see the another thing here. We need to see the another thing here. Still, if I miss anything here, then I will place it. Guys, do you want to maintain global configuration file?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to maintain global configuration file? Yes, I wanted to maintain global configuration file. That global configuration file we need to use into Node.js or not?
Yes,
That global configuration file we need to use into Node.js. How can I use that global configuration file? Guys, you know the configuration files na Java people, XML files like web.xml file, properties file, something. So in the Node.js also, if you wanted to use configuration files at that time, we need to go for the .env.config. Very, very important. Try to see this at the beginning only, we need to place it. Enable the
On the whole.
global configuration file.
Lighter, no?
Fine. How to enable? Guys, can anyone tell here?
.env.config.
And still, I didn't create the global configuration file. Maybe next month we may use the global configuration file. By the end of this month, I will discuss only 2 modules: home module and a products module. Maybe while discussing the login module, registration module, payment gateways, at that time we will use the .env file. Fine. Let me go for the predefined snippet. Guys, direct questions I will ask you, you people need to answer. Direct questions I will ask you. Which subject we are discussing now?
Node.js.
Node.js.
Node.js wanted to connect to MongoDB.
MongoDB.
Yes or not? Listen the 2 points. We are discussing
Node, sir.
Node.js. We are discussing Node.js. Node.js should connect to MongoDB database. Coming to the Node.js wanted to connect to MongoDB database with the help of which module? Mongoose module, Mongoose library. See this one here. So mongoose.connect. Mongoose.connect of this is the connection URL or not? Yes, sir. Always database should treat new request or not? For example, wait here. Lucky Singh, you hit the server at 7:30. Okay, 731 you hit it once again. Database should consider two requests or not? Two requests or one request?
Two request.
Lucky saying everyone guys. You hit the database at 7:30.
Yes.
7:31 also you hit the database. So how many users? How many users, sir? Lucky Singh only. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only one
Yes,
user
sir.
or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many users are there? One user.
Only one user.
How
One
many
user.
times he hit the database?
Two times.
Two times.
Two times.
The meaning of line
Two
number
times.
50, line number 52 is consider the each hit as one request. Okay, now and one more point, guys. Do you want to deploy your project into AWS?
Yes.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
want to deploy your project into AWS?
Yes, sir.
Once
Yes,
if you
sir.
deploy your project into AWS, who can use? Who can use
Everyone.
entire globe or not?
Yes, sir.
Entire
Yes, sir.
entire topology or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I want to make our application available in entire world. Entire world wanted to use my application. So see this one here. Use unified topology equal to true. Next one, guys. And one more point. One more point is that I need to maintain the log or not. Logs I need to maintain. Array 730 Lucky Singh hit the database. 731 Thousand hit the database. 8 o'clock Vindhya hit the database. 9 o'clock Rohit hit the database. I need to maintain some tracking or not. To do the tracking, then we need to go for the use create index equal to true. Can I provide the explanation slowly once again?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Guys, which subject we are discussing?
Node.js.
Node.js.
Node.js wanted to connect to
Mongo.
MongoDB
MongoDB.
database.
How to connect?
To
Mongo.
By
Mongoose library.
Mongoose
Mongo
library.
start connect. Fine. And every hit treat as new request.
New
New
request.
request.
Every
Request.
hit, everyone guys, every hit treat as
New
new
request.
request. Complete world wanted to use my application. Fine. And one more point. Maintain the log system. Maintain the logging is there na. Logging. Maintain the log system. In order to maintain the log system, then we need to go for the use create. Guys, okay na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, see this one here. We need to see this one here. So can I go for the coding?
Yes.
Can I go for the coding, guys? Let me go for the coding. Fine. Connect to one second here. Arre. Connect to MongoDB database. Connect to MongoDB database.
MongoDB database.
How can I connect to MongoDB database? At least one person.
Mongoose dot
Mongoose
connect.
start.
Connect.
Mongoose start.
Connect.
Connect.
Before that connect.
Mongoose start connect. You need the connection URL na.
Connection.
Guys, this is not the problem of our explanations, but the concept is like that. Whoever feeling the bad about it, whoever feeling that, sir, it's a tough to understand. That's your problem, guys. That's your problem. Fine. See this one here, here itself. This is the connection URL. That is it. Mute yourself. Or you are paying for talking. Still you are saying that one, but you are not muting yourself. Fine. See this one here. We need to pass the URL. And one more thing. Second one is the JSON option. Guys, how many things I need to place? Three things na. What is the first one? What is the first
Use
one?
new URL parser.
One second. Use new
New
URL
URL
parser
parser.
equal to true. Next one. Entire world want to use our project. Use unified topology equal to topology equal to true. Next one. Just to
Use
maintain the tracking
log.
system.
Log
Use
system.
index.
No, use create index.
Create
Use create
index.
index equal to use create index equal to we should be in a position. We need to place the true. Guys, can I expect you people got the clarity regarding the connection?
Yes.
Yes, sir. And one more point. Last 2 points you people need to understand. Fine. See this one here. Here itself. Create the user. Create the user to connect to to connect to database. Create one user. I wanted to create one user to connect to database. Fun. How can I create the user? See this fun here. Constant Ashok IT equal to MongoDB data. I hope I didn't import the MongoDB. Please import the MongoDB also. We should be in a position we need to import the MongoDB also. Please import the MongoDB also. Constant MongoDB equal to require of MongoDB. Guys, I wanted to create one user. This user will connect to this database and will fetch the data from the database. So how can I create that user? Constant Ashok IT equal to MongoDB dot MongoDB dot what you wanted to place Mongo client. And who is the reference variable here?
Ashok IT.
Yeah, see this one here. Where Ashok IT is the reference variable. Used to connect to what? Database. Where Ashok IT is the reference variable used to connect to database. Fine. Guys, how to create the reference variable? With the help of what? Constant Ashok IT equal to MongoDB dot Mongo client. Fine. Let me go for this code. We need to see the code here. Guys, see this one again. How to create Rust API? I wanted to create Rust API. How can I create the Rust API? Assume this one again. Here itself, guys. Do you want to create the GET request? Answer. Do you want to create the GET request? App.get off.
App.get.
What is the argument one? URL pattern. Guys, what is our final target now? To create the GET request or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We need to create the GET request. See this one again. App.get off. What is the argument one? URL pattern. And one more point. One more point is the very, very important point again. We need to execute Rust APIs asynchronously. Na? Respond here asynchronously. How to execute asynchronously? With the help of what? Express async handler. The next one, guys. The data coming from the client stored into request. Last point, guys. The data coming from the client stored into request object. How to give response to the client?
Yes.
Response object. Guys, listen, guys, listen here. Fine, guys. How to create the GET request? I want to create the GET request. How can I create the GET request? App.get off. See this one here. What is the argument one? URL pattern.
URL pattern.
Execute Rust APIs asynchronously. To execute Rust APIs asynchronously, then we need to go for the express async handler. Don't go for the synchronous. Please go for the synchronous. Fun. Guys, can I explain that point? Even the tough here. Will you put your more efforts here to understand that point asynchronous? Guys, is it a Rust API call or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many members can use it? How many members? N number of members now. See this one here. At a time, 10 members hitted. Lucky Singh hitted. Vindhya hitted. Saujanya hitted. And one more thing. Girinath hitted. How many members hitted Rust API call at a time?
N number of people.
N number of people. See this one here. All the requests I need to execute parallelly or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
One
Yes.
thread to execute Lucky Singh code. Another thread wanted to execute Vindhya code. Another thread wanted to execute the Saujanya code. Another thread wanted to execute the Girinath code. Girinath request. So one request may not interrupt the another request. One request may not interrupt the another request. Yes or not? That
Yes.
language what do you call? That language what do you call? Asynchronous. Guys, is it good one or not?
Yes.
But see this one, guys. Coming to my training classes also here, I'm not using this one up to the previous classes. Just now only. Second time I'm using that one. For the evening 7 p.m. batch people, I used that one here. Now I'm using now here. Important, very, very important here. So just to try to see this one. Here itself, very, very important here. Mute yourself here. Someone here. Kindly mute yourself here. Kindly mute yourself. Say this one here. Create the Rust API. Create the Rust API. So how to create the Rust API? Who is the Rust object? Who is the Rust object? App. Which request you wanted to create? Get request. See this one again. API slash products. What is the URL pattern? What is the URL pattern? API slash products. And one more point. Can I go for the synchronous execution or asynchronous execution? Synchronous. Here, guys, what is the object you got? What is the object you got? Express async handler. And guys, and here itself, express async handler internally promise. Express async handler internally uses promises. Tell me guys, which communication is better, synchronous or asynchronous? Asynchronous. But asynchronous communication internally will give what? Promises. How to consume the promises? With the help of which keyword? Async under? With the help of what? Async keyword under? Await keyword. With the help of async keyword under await keyword. Is my point right or not? So see this one here. How to use that one? How to use that one? Async. Next one is the async. See this one here. Here itself. How many objects I need to pass? How many objects I need to pass? 2 objects now. We need to pass the 2 objects. Fine. Whatever the data coming from the client, that the data will be stored into request object. How to give reply to the client? With the help of what? Response object. Fine. Guys, see this one. This is the biggest problem of our project, guys. I think here everything I need to use here. I need to use the Node.js code. I need to use the JavaScript. I need to go for the asynchronous communication. If I use everything, then we can call this a development is the full stack development. Fine. Tell me once again here. How to create the get request? How to create the get request? Get off. What is the argument one? What is the argument one? URL pattern. Do you need synchronous execution or asynchronous execution? Express async handler. But express async handler internally promise. Internally what? Internally JavaScript promise. You know the JavaScript promises? Resolve or reject something is in the JavaScript. So it's a internally JavaScript promise. How to consume the promise? With the help of which keyword? Async keyword. Here how many objects I need to supply?
Recording
2 objects.
stopped.
2 objects here. Here we need to supply 2 objects. Fine.
Recording in
What is the
progress.
first object? Request object.
Request.
What is the second object? Response object. Okay, now fine guys. Did you create any model yesterday? I'm asking the question here. Did you create any model yesterday?
Yes.
Which model?
Product.
Product model. Can I import that one?
Yes.
Can I
Yes,
import
sir.
that one? Why not? See this one here. Constant product equal to require of constant product equal to see this one here. Require of see this one here. Require of what you wanted to place here. Require of product model. Guys, we imported the model now.
Yes.
Based
sir.
on this model, we need to fetch the data now. Yes, how to fetch the data? Await. See this one here. Await product dot which function we need to call? We need to call one function. The function is the which function? Find function. We should be in a position. We need to call one function. The function is the find function. So whenever we call the find function, automatically we can fetch the data. Fine. That data we need to store into one variable now. Yes, this variable we need to send it to customer now. How can I send it to customer? Response dot send off products. That's it here. How much easy here? Fine. Explain once again here. You people need to explain once again here. Guys, did you prepare any model yesterday?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the model?
Product model.
So can I import a product model?
Yes.
Guys, can I import in the global level?
Yes.
Can
Yes,
import
sir.
in the, it's good na, it's good. See this one here, import product model, import product model. How can I import product equal to import product equal to require of import require of what you want to place dot slash product model. Automatically we can import. Fine. Can I create the Rust API?
Yes.
Can I create the Rust API? Is it possible to create the Rust API? Anyone, at least one person here. Create the create the Rust API. Create the Rust API. Guys, will you people help me how to create the Rust API? App dot app dot tell me here. App dot
Yeah.
app dot what you wanted
Get
to place get off.
it
App dot get off. Fine, guys. What is the argument one? Slash API
Word.
slash
URL
API slash products. Guys, do you need synchronous or asynchronous?
Asynchronous.
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 Yes,
So
sir.
express async handler. Guys, after the class, immediately watch the video once again. Watch that fun here. Please try to do the coding along with me. Then you can happy with the total project development. Never feel like difficult. I know here. I know it's not reachable to you. Even though not reachable, just to try to follow this one. Then after getting the job, you will be happy with the companies. Fun. Guys, express async handler internal promise or not? Fine. How to handle the promise? With the help of what? Async keyword. With the help of one keyword, async keyword. Next one. Can I take the callback function here? Yes, let me take the callback function. Fine. Whatever the data coming from the client, that data will be stored into request object. How to get the response to the client?
With the help of
Response object.
responsible.
Fine. Go ahead, say this one here. Async keyword followed by which keyword?
Await.
Async keyword followed by which keyword? Await.
Yeah.
Pranav, what is the name of your model? Pranav, what is the name of your model?
Product.
Product model.
Product.
Product model.
Pranav, how to fetch the data? With the help of which function?
Find method.
Find function.
Find
With the help of one function, the function is the find function. So automatically we are getting all products or not? Yes, automatically we are getting all products or not? Whatever the
Yes.
products are there, all the products we are getting. These products we need to give to Angular or not? We need to
Yes,
give to
sir.
Angular or not? Response dot send off. Response dot send off. What are the products are there? All the products I wanted to give to Angular. Fine. Guys, the server is ready now.
Yes, sir.
For this server, can I assign the port number? Can I assign the port number?
Yes, sir.
Talk with me. Assign the port number. Fine. Guys, already I given the one commitment now. This project we need to deploy into AWS. Whatever the project is there, this project we will host into AWS server or not? Yes. Once if I host this project into AWS server, who will assign the port number? AWS server. AWS server. Series fun kid. Let the port equal to processor dot environment dot processor dot environment dot port. And series fun guys. This port number assigned by the AWS server. Whatever the port number is there, this port number assigned by the AWS server. Fine. And one more point. I don't want to deploy now. Maybe I will deploy maybe by the end of next month. I don't want to deploy now. Yes or not? I don't want to deploy now. I will deploy in the next month. So at present, I need the local port number or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me guys, if you deploy into AWS server will assign the random port number. We don't know that port number. I don't want to deploy now. Next month I will deploy. Up to now, I need one local port number now.
Yes, sir.
Up to now, I need one local port number. So this is the local port number. See this fun key. Observe this fun key. Here itself. App.listen off. App.listen off. We should be in a position. We need to place the port. Next one is the we need to place the callback function. Next one. Console.log off. Console.log off. Server ready. Our Node.js server is ready now.
Yes, sir.
Guys, after making the node server ready, next one, sixth one, start the server. Can you people help me how to start the server? How to start the server? Node space server.
Node, sir.
Node space server. Can I start it?
Yes.
How to start it here? Node space server. Yeah, see this one. Encryption algorithm, something is there because you used that one. You used that one. Let me share the screenshot also. Let me share the screenshot to you people. Next one, and one more point. One more point is the after that we need to go for the guys. Seventh one. Test the Rust API by using Postman. Guys, test the Rust API by using what? Postman.
First one.
Which Rust API? http:// which host? Localhost. Fine. What is the port number? 8080. Fine. What is the URL pattern? API/products.
Products.
Fine. Can I test with the help of Postman?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Guys, catching the speed or not? Hey guys, see this one here. We got output or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Our Rust API is ready or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Answer.
Yes.
What are the Rust API? Is that Rust API ready or not? Yes. This Rust API we need to give to whom? Angular. Whatever the Rust API is there. This Rust API we need to give to whom? Angular. But guys, backend ready or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This backend we need to give to whom? Front end. So in the tomorrow session, guys, directly I will start the front end again. Whatever the response we got here, this response we need to give to front end technology. Okay, na? Can I share this URL to you?
Yes, sir.
So which one is ready? Backend is ready, and we will integrate above backend to front end na front end. Okay na? So guys, this one we will see in the tomorrow session, guys. Fine. But before
Actually, here we are creating one DB user, right? We never use that.
we
DB.
never care, so I will delete that one. You are asking like, sir, where user the Ashok IT? That's your point na? Yes, I will delete it. Unnecessary, because this approach is the old approach. This code not required. I will comment it here. At the end, while deploying in the server itself, I will delete it. Not only that one. Still, if you use a lot of unused code is there. Encrypt.js or JSON web token. Am I using now?
No, sir.
No.
And one more, generally we are creating the DB user in server DB side, sir, not in our code level, right?
No, because no. Coming to the code level also, we need to create it.
DB users and all we have to provide in DB while installing the DB. That time only they will provide, sir.
I think your point is right. I am saying here, coming to the client side also, coming to the server side also, we need to create it. There's a Node.js standard. You are saying like, sir, DB user present into like a Scar to Tiger. You are saying that point.
Yes,
Sir,
yes,
same standard available into Node.js also. But the standard available with the old module. Which module? MongoDB module. Okay, na? Your point is right. Whatever you told, the same thing present into Node.js side also. With the help of which module? MongoDB module. But if I use the Mongoose module, maybe they eliminated that problem. So no need to create it. Say this one. Anyhow, here, just to place the unused code also. At the end of the project, whatever the unnecessary code is there, that unnecessary code we will delete it again. After deleting, then we will go for the cloud deployment. Fine. Guys, can I commit the code?
Yes, sir.
Can I commit the code, guys?
Yes.
Git add data. Next one. Git commit -m say this one get backend ready. How to push it? Git push. Whenever we call the git push, automatically we can push it up.
Sir, please, sir, GitHub link, sir. So I will find.
Satyajit, why already I sent this GitHub link in the. Are you there in the Telegram? Are you there in the Google Drive link?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Satyajit,
sir.
just open
Yes,
that one. If you open that one, it contain already.
sir. It is shows
Just open that
error.
one. If you open that one,
It is shows error,
is it?
sir.
Let me open that one. Guys, anyone wanted to talk with me, new members? If you have any questions here, try to ask me. I will give the reply to you. New members, Pavan Kumar, Anil Kumar, Avinash.
Sir,
Any questions, sir?
can you add me to the Google Drive? I'm not there.
After doing the registration, then we will add it. Are same URL na? I think you are saying like same URL na? Same URL or not? Satyajit,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
same URL. By why it is throwing the error? It won't throw the error na? Same URL.
Okay, sir.
Okay na? Fine. Yeah. Guys, on the today class video also I will place it here itself. Can you create the day 3?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Create
sir.
the day 3. After the day 3, I will place all the video files just to go through that one. Fine. Guys, all the new members, please complete your registration. Then if you register, then we will add to the group. Guys, shock here. Some people they're asking like free service.
Recording
No,
stopped.
we are not ready to provide any free services, guys. Never ask the free. Never ask the free, guys. Don't go for the free services kind of thing. It's a paid service only. Never ask like is it a free? No one here. No, don't ask. Getting the by irritation here. By seeing that we are getting the irritation about it. Never ask that one. I think some Ashok IT admin people they called you. Some people they told like it's a free. I think free in the sense we need to close my family here. We need to come to your families only. Remember that one. Never ask the free, guys. Already I told yesterday. If anyone providing the free services, simply they are doing the business with you people. The project itself only it will take the 2 months of time. We are not ready to provide like a free service up to the 2 months. Remember, never ask here. By listening that one, getting the irritation here, getting the irritation about that word. Already I told yesterday. If anyone saying any free classes, simply they are doing the business with you people. For example, I will tell the one simple example. The simple example is the early morning, like 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Ashok sir started the Angular class, Angular free class. Are you feeling like Ashok sir will take the 30 classes? Within 30 classes, Angular will complete. Are you feeling like Ashok sir will cover everything with the 30 classes? 30 classes in the sense, every day he will take the 50 minutes of session. Are you feeling like, are we completing, will we complete all the course within the 20 days? Are you feeling like that here? No. Simply we are doing the business with you people here. In that class, how many members are there? Around 500 members are there. They don't have the clarity here. First of all, that people don't have the clarity. See this one here. 500 members are there. You know na, that 500 members we will add which group here? YouTube. You know na, through the YouTube we are generating money. Any use of this fund? Any use of this fund, guys? I think you are spending 30 classes of time. Any use of that fund? No use. No use. Remember that point here. Whoever asked, see this one here. Coming to our project, guys, struggle like anything. Struggle. See this one here. Struggle like anything here. It's not joke, guys. Next 2 months of course, I may struggle like anything to complete this one. We may get the errors. We need to solve that errors. Lot of bugs will be there. So many things are there. 2 months. Every day also myself also I need to prepare along with you to complete this project with a smooth manner. So never ask the free, guys. We are not forcing you also. If under reachability also, guys, never think like a simple kind of thing. After the class also, once again, after the class also, once again you need to watch the video. You need to practice. For example, if you skip the practicing, you are unfit for to attend these classes. Every day you need to prepare the project ready. So if you do like that, at the end of second month, maybe next month ending, definitely it will take the next month ending. By the next month ending, when e-commerce project is ready, we can keep it in front of you. Fine. See this one, guys. I will show the one more thing. Still here, I think after struggling a lot, 9 o'clock batch people, we got some clarity regarding that. So these are the conditions for that one. Guys, whoever not registered here, please complete our registrations. Man, just to go for the Google Pay number, guys. Not an issue. Just to go for the Google Pay number. This is the Google Pay number. My number will be displayed. My number will be displayed here. And fee for this batch is the 6,000. Only project. And one more point, whoever asking like a free social services something, don't join the classes also. Please stop the classes. Can I close it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think just use this number. I think no need to go for the account number, IFSC code something. Don't go for that one. Just use this one. Okay? Just use the Google Pay number directly. Anil Kumar, if you don't know Angular basics, you are not eligible to attend this class. Please stop the classes, because who have the little bit knowledge about the Angular, at least they should know how to create the component, how to create the service. Then we will use it. Pranav, what is our question? Your question is the JWT token, we will pass it through interceptor. Yes, sir. Why not? Pranav, that is our question, huh?
Yes, yes.
Pranav, no. I will tell one point. Tokens will be stored into local storage. Okay, na? Who will generate the token? I'm asking the question to Pranav. Who will generate the token? Server. After generating the token, it will send it to whom? Client. Client will store into where? Local storage. Where it will store? Local storage or not?
Safe or
Yes.
It's not safe. See this one here. And one more point. One more point is the interceptor will read the token from local storage and add it to URL header.
Okay.
Okay, na? That is the flow. I hope in our company, in our project, maybe that flow is there. Yes or not? Coming to the interceptor will read the token from the local storage and add it to URL. Maybe that code you may see into your project. Fine.
But
Next one.
sometimes we store into the subject, set subject. I think.
No, I think subject not storing, na? Never say subject, behavior, subject, something was saying, na?
Yes.
Is it a, no, Pranav, you are completely mismatched with your words. Subject and behavior subject, is it any storage device? Is it 100 GB data? Is it 1000 GB data? Are you feeling like, is it a storage device? Arey, Pranav, catch my point, na?
It's for communicating.
Is it? One second. But how can you store the token into subject and behavior subject? To store it, you need the one storage device or not?
Yes.
What is that storage device?
Local
Storage. Fine. Who will read that one? Behavior subject will read from where? Local storage, and will add it to whom? URL.
Okay.
That is the point you need to catch. Getting the flow, na?
Yes.
Yes. Fine. Yeah. And one more point. Subhan Kit, you were asking like, sir, after completing 2 months of project training, can you keep the experience? Like, can I ask you a direct question? No response, na? Subhan Kit Pradana. Subhan Kit Pradana. Will you talk with me? You were asking like, after completion of your 2 months course, how many years of experience you wanted to keep?
Yeah.
How many years of experience you wanted to keep with the 2 months of experience? With the 2 months of Ashok IT training classes, how many years of experience you wanted to keep?
1 year.
1 year of experience here. Fine. Subhan Kit, can I tell one point here? Directly I will tell one point here. Whatever the project we are doing now, this project is nothing but the knowledge based project. Getting or not? If you do this project perfectly, you can do any project in the company. Getting or not? So whatever the training classes we are discussing now, these are training classes are the knowledge based training, not like experienced kind of training. I think you may ask like a certificate, 1 year certificate, can I keep into the resume? Can I show this project I done with the last 1 year? That is our question or not? Yes or not? Yes, sir. I think certificates you are expecting like 1 year experience certificate, something you are expecting. Yes or not? Say this one. You got my answer now? My answer is, whatever the classes we are dealing now, these classes are knowledge based. Pradhan, can I tell one point to you? Be active. Like your voice should be tempo wise. Be active. If you prepare 2 months with the Ashok IT, if you are able to keep 1+ of years of experience with the certificates, entire world with the Ashok IT or not? Yes or not? All the software engineers Ashok IT or not?
Yes.
All the complete world, India, US, UK, Arab, all the companies here, all the countries with Ashok IT only. Remember that point. The training classes will help for the knowledge itself, not like 1 year of experience, 1 year of fake experience, something not like that. Don't go for that level. I can give one assurance. If you do this project, you can get the nearly 2+ or 3+ years of knowledge, no doubt. But never expect any certificates from the Ashok IT, like any kind of real-time project done by the Subhan Kit something here. Don't expect that kind of certificates from the Ashok IT. Okay, na? Fine. Any questions, guys? Anyone? Anyone? Can I close it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Guys, will you prepare server ready before joining the tomorrow session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please make the server ready before joining the tomorrow session. Once if you make the server ready here in the tomorrow session, we will start the front-end integration. Guys, only interested people are needed to join the session. Remaining people don't come to the class. We'll remove from the group itself. Remember that one. Fun. Thank you guys. Bye.
Yeah, hello, sir. This is Pawan Kumar.
Once again, we'll provide the videos of Angular classes. I will join the project. Anil Kumar, you are not eligible for this course. Anil Kumar, you are not eligible for this course because if you want to understand this course, you need to know basics of Angular. Without knowing the basics of Angular, in the classroom itself, you are getting the headache. No, you should know Angular. You should know how to install the Angular, how to create the Angular project, how to create the component, how to execute the component. You should know something here. With the zero knowledge of Angular, you are not eligible to attend this classes. Okay, na? Even if you are asked, sir, will you provide the class? I will join our class here. For the money, I will say yes, sir. Yes or not? Yes or not? Yeah. I think even if I say, even if I get the videos, what is the use of it without understanding? Fun. I think you are doing the Ashok sir class now. I think if Ashok sir completed component creation, service creation, then you are eligible to attend this class. No doubt. Anil, if you are able to complete component creation and service creation, then you are eligible to attend this class. Okay, na? So, are you asking my class videos or Ashok sir class videos? No response, na? Fine. Pawan, ask your question.
Yes, sir. So the number you just showed me, that is it your direct number to reach you out?
Yeah, my number only, my Google Pay number.
Okay, I'll talk to you personally.
Yeah, say this one. Fine. Thank you guys. Bye.